First, add a little coconut oil to the heated pan and heat well. Next, add the chopped dry fish and fry. Now, add the rampe, curry leaves, onions, green peas and tomato. Remember, do not use tomatoes if you are using sprats. This is because calcium oxalate reacts with the oxalic acid in tomatoes and calcium in sprats, so calcium oxalate is called kidney stones. Now I add some finely chopped garlic. Add some chili pieces and mix well. Then add some salt. Dry fish also contains salt, so be careful when adding salt. Now we're done cooking. Cook the onions before they become too melancholy. Then the nutrients in the onions can be retained.